Unit 10.
Actual. Actual is an adjective. Actual means happening in fact or reality. The actual cost was far less than we guessed it would be. Now you say the word. Actual. Actual. Brink. Brink is a noun. The brink is the edge, especially of a high, steep place. The hiker stood near the brink of the cliff. Now you say the word. Brink. Brink. Chill. Chill is a noun. A chill is an unpleasant feeling of coldness, coolness. I felt a chill as I skated on the pond. Now you say the word. Chill. Chill. Chill is a verb. To chill is to make or become cold. Should we chill the dessert? Now you say the word. Chill. Conquer. Conquer is a verb. To conquer is to defeat or take over, to master or overcome. The army hoped to conquer the enemy quickly. Now you say the word. Conquer. Conquer. Fortunate. Fortunate is an adjective. Fortunate means having or bringing good luck, or lucky. We were fortunate to have no rain during spring break. Now you say the word. Fortunate. Fortunate. Fury. Fury is a noun. Fury means strong anger or rage. A bad temper often leads to a state of fury. Now you say the word. Fury. Fury. Intend. Intend is a verb. To intend is to plan to do something, to have a goal or purpose. I hope you intend to do your homework. Now you say the word. Intend. Intend. Pattern. Pattern is a noun. A pattern is the way that shapes and colors are put together, or a model or guide for making something. A pattern is also a design that is repeated. The striped pattern is the same in each candy cane. Now you say the word. Pattern. Pattern. Pattern is a verb. To pattern is to make or follow according to a model or design. I hope to pattern my behavior after someone I look up to. Now you say the word. Pattern. Vibrant. Vibrant is an adjective. Vibrant means full of life, energy, or activity. Your personality is lively and vibrant. Now you say the word. Vibrant. Vibrant. Wit. Wit is a noun. Wit is the talent to describe things or people in a funny or unusual way, the ability to think clearly, or a clever and amusing person. A teacher with wit often knows how to keep the students' attention in class. Now you say the word. Wit. Wit.